University graduations.
When I first started, I didn't start this as a business. It was really about the kaupapa Māori and the sharing of the culture, providing opportunities for rangatahi and getting back into the environment and sharing the knowledge that we have now. We set it up and then business kind of fell into it in terms of getting into cultural tourism. I began this business in January 2017. Because I'm heavily involved in my culture, I wanted to share the story. I'm an owner of a cultural tourism business called Tafra Limited. So Taf is my father's name. He passed away in 2010 and he was my role model. My brother, his name was Rātapu, or they used to call him Rā. In terms of bringing the business together, I brought these two key elements and it's called Tafra Limited. So that's the business name, but it's undertaken here at Wairanga Falls. The business is actually called Waicliff Cultural Tours, but I've just spelt it W-A-I for Wai, which is Māori for water, and cliff, which is a cliff. So you put those two together, you'll get a waterfall. It's been a bit of a journey, thinking up what would attract people, hitting the key points in terms of our culture. I guess I've been around a few countries, Rarotonga, Fiji, and had a look how they share their culture. The key thing for me is being authentic. The performers are from here, they are from this area, the stories are from this area, the tikanga that we share here is from this area, so it's authentic. The biggest challenge for me in terms of this cultural tourism business has been the business side. I've found it's really important to have a business mentor. It's all really been in my head, but we got it down on paper and it's good to look at and good to reconfigure and this where things go and just focusing in on key parts. So it is depicting a welcoming. The vision for Waicliff Cultural Tours, Tafra Limited, is really to diversify the business. And it's all around those fundamentals that I explained. Really about sharing the Māori culture, the kingitanga and our Māori stories. Secondly, it's about our rangatahi, giving them opportunities into the future, giving them skills, teaching them their tikanga, and so they can go out there and share our tikanga as well. And thirdly, it's about the environment, kaitiakitanga. That's really the connection that Māori have. I'll just put all my eggs in one basket, I guess. I haven't really got any funding. I've got the atua Māori, I've got God on my side, and I've got a positive attitude. And I guess I'm really positive and really looking for opportunities for the young ones for our rangatahi. The business doesn't thrive, but it still gets by if people are coming and learning about our culture and we're exhibiting and sharing our tikanga. I'm winning.